Pantry, take one.
I'm Melissa Ben-Ishay, OXO Chef in Residence, and today I'm going to help you master pantry organization. Yay! I find joy in my busy life by baking and cooking for the people I love most. My pantry is like mission control. I stand in front of it to ideate and think of new meals to make for my family. Having clear, airtight containers that I can stack in my pantry allows me to feel like a very organized person. This is the building block to my pantry. This is a pop container. It keeps your ingredients perfectly fresh. There's also a scoop that attaches to the lid, so you don't have to dig for it, and it's a 1/2 cup measurer. The most important thing for my pantry organization is keeping everything organized by category. I have my pasta over here, dry goods, beans, and greens. On this door, I have all the ingredients I use all the time, spices I use in everything I make, and here are my baking ingredients, so it's very easy access. What I love about these turntables, you can really crowd everything around it, and it doesn't disrupt the flow. Airtight containers are very important when baking because it helps to keep your dry goods perfectly fresh over long periods of time, and it prevents bugs from getting into your flour and sugar, which is a real thing that you have to be careful of. One thing I love about the pop containers is that they're stackable. You could put them side by side. You could stack them this way or this way, and it just helped me to keep my pantry perfectly organized even when I'm getting new ingredients. FIFO, first in, first out. When you're running low on an ingredient, you're gonna take what's left in the container, pour it into a bowl, pour your new ingredients in first, and then finish it off with the older ingredients. This way, you're making sure first in is going first out. I hope my pantry organization helped you to master yours at home.